Do you want to start investing, but you're so scared of starting? Either you're going to get it wrong or picking the wrong time to start investing. Is that a concern of yours? Maybe, maybe not. What if I told you that there was a foolproof strategy to this that would ensure that you manage risk and you build wealth over a period of time? This strategy is dollar cost averaging. So in this video, we're going to be exploring what dollar cost averaging is, how it works, why it beats trying to time the market, and how you can start investing today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, please like, please share, and do all the fun things. Let's get into it. Most people actually fear investing because they don't want to lose money. So they wait for the perfect time. But guess what? That time never comes. It's either the market is too high or we've reached all-time high, so it's too expensive to buy, or when market crashes, oh guys, it's too risky. We can't buy. So the best thing to do, guys, is to just get into the market and invest the same amount every single month. So that is called dollar cost averaging. So basically, if you're investing £200 a month, for example, into the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 costs £10, for example, with your 200, you're able to get 20 indexes. Similarly, if you're investing in the market and it now goes up to £20 a market, with your £200, you're able to get 10 indexes. However, when it gets to £20, some people are like, oh, it's too expensive to go in. So they don't bother. So the best thing to do is just keep going. So when it's lower, when the market crashes, you're getting more for your 200. And when the market is high, you're getting less for your £200. But you see that person that waits at the sideline thinking, oh, I will when the market crashes. That person is never going to invest because then he says, oh, or she says, oh, the market is too risky. I'm not going to go. I'm just going to wait on the sideline. That person will never invest. So how do we fix this? We fix this by investing the same amount every single month into the market. If the market goes down, the same amount is invested. If the market goes up, the same amount is invested. Over a period of time, you would have accumulated so many shares that what the market is doing doesn't really concern you. If you have an end time goal as to what your investment goal, as to the amount of money you want to make, the time you're going to be in the market, whatever is happening in between shouldn't really affect us. That's what I keep teaching my students all the time. It shouldn't affect us, especially when you have a long-term goal. And it's been shown and proven time and time again that time in the market is fantastically better than timing the market. No one can perfectly time the market, not even the greatest investors out there. No one can perfectly time the market. So now let's compare two people, investor A and investor B. Investor A invests £200 a month into the S&P 500 ETF and just keeps doing it. Whatever the market is doing, the person keeps doing it every single month, whether it goes up or goes down. Investor B tries to time the market, and in the end, let's see the results over 20 years. So over 20 years, investor A, of course, came out better because they have built wealth over time. Investor B either did not even get into the market because of fear, oh, it's too high, it's too low, or bought at all-time highs, and so their results were not as great as investor A. So I say all this to show you that dollar cost averaging is the way to build wealth over a period of time, over a sustained period of time. But you guys, you must understand that this is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time to build the wealth. It takes time to get the confidence. It takes time and let the market do what it's going to do. So who are you going to be today? Are you going to be investor A or are you going to be investor B? I can tell you personally, from my personal perspective, I've started in my investment journey over 9 years ago, and I have been dollar cost averaging ever since then. When I tried to trade, I remember in my past, I lost a lot of money trying to trade because I was trying to time the market. But as an investor, it's smoother, less stress, growth over a period of time. And I know comfortably well in my retirement, guys, it will be a smooth, smooth sailing life. And that's my aim. So what is your aim? What are your investment goals? Share in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Let's grow together. Let's glow together. And let's make this money together. Thank you all for joining. If you haven't subscribed, please join, please subscribe, please share, please like, and meet you in the comment section. See you guys until next time. Bye bye.